he goes behind the wood and I get the lure swinging when he comes back. If the wind's coming from this direction, he'll use the wind to climb up when you pull the lure away. And that's what they call the average flight of a falcon when it's hunting is a minute to 4 minutes. They'll dive at their prey, birds don't panic. They'll treat birds of prey in the way that we treat the trap to exercise. And he'll just sit down on the grass and have a look round, see if there's anything out there worth eating. He's actually still hunting. Over 99% of a peregrine's life is spent sitting to the prey around him. And this time I'll let him catch it. It's got to be if it's too big or too small, they won't wear it. If you do it gently, they don't object. If you do it roughly, but
missed it.
But their feathers have evolved to take whatever the weather throws at them. And under his feathers he's got a thick coating of down. When it's hot, he tightens his feathers, and that reduces much water it insulates. Land gently, he eats the meat, and now he's flown away because he's thinking, I've just met this girl, she's all over me. Are you okay? Why are you rubbing your hand? Did it hurt when you stroked him? His feathers are very soft. Because eagle owls nest on the ground, they are vulnerable to ground predators. There was a man here yesterday. I had to work really hard to get Otto to fly to him. One day there was a man here and he wouldn't, well, Otto flew off into the wood and wouldn't come back till this man had gone. Most people he doesn't like or dislike, and then occasionally up like that. And then once he's landed, you bend your elbow into your body, hold a bird as if you've got a handbag, like that. And that's why falconers walk around like this all the time. And they all vanished. And they all behind that gate over there. Then he went very quiet, and the rabbit